What up, guys? On this channel, we talk about crypto mining, crypto airdrops, and other investments based on crypto. But this is not a financial advice, it's just to find a way to make money together online. On this video, I'll be talking about the Remint Network. Though it has been around for some time, I'll just be giving you the updates on the KYC and the VIP sections for the existing miners. But for the new miners, I'll also be treating everything from the start. So just follow me as I give you details step by step. So the link to this site will be in the description box below. So once you click on the link, it will take you straight to where you want to sign up. So all you need to do is to follow up with the step I'm going to be taking. First off, enter your name, not the username, your main name that you're going to be using for the KYC verification. Enter your email, enter your password, confirm the password, enter your phone number. Well, that is optional. If you don't want to, just leave it alone. Choose your country, then the referral ID will be showing on the screen right now. Click on I agree, then sign up. When you're signed up, the first thing you'll see is the start button. Though I've started this before, so the first thing you see is the start button. You click on the start button and it's going to take you for 24 hours before you can click on the start button again. And if you click on this dollar sign, it will give you one Remint token every 20 minutes. And after 5 times, it will give you a 5 token. After the 5 token, you just repeat the step every 20 minutes and you get 1 token until the 5th one again. Another thing to look out for is the daily task. Under the daily task, we have answer the daily question and you earn 2 coin. Once you click on it, a 5 seconds advert will pop up. After the advert, then you see the question. For example, my own question is which one is not a cryptocurrency? Then I chose the Everland and I got it correctly, so I have 2 Remint token right now. Going back now, you can also share them on social media to earn 2 token also. And for the third one, you can play the crypto memory game. Let me show you how it's done. All you do is just to match 2 correct symbols together. If you can match all the 16 symbols together, then you win a 64 coin. But the more it reduces, the less coin you have to earn. Now moving to the fourth one, which is the important one here, the KYC wheel. Once I spin the wheel now, I can get the 1 coin or the no coin or the KYC open. Anything I get will be the judge to my faith. So now let me spin and you see what we get. Wow, luckily now KYC is now open in the menu. Wow, this is awesome because I've been spinning for some time now and it's not getting to the KYC level. So going back now, let's go straight to the KYC. Now you can see it's open. So when I open the KYC spot, I can see email already verified. Yes, I did my email verification earlier. Now I'm to upload an identification card. When I open, I have 3 options there. I have the upload file, submit, and remove file. For the upload file, that's where I'm going to be uploading my file, and the submit will just be straight up submitting the file. But the remove file is just if you did a mistake, you just need to remove the file and re-snap what you did. Moving forward now, you can see I'm to upload my utility bills, and it's just the same option as the other one. All I need to do is just to upload my file and then submit. So scrolling down now, let's go to the white paper. At least we need to read more about what they have in stock for us. Make sure you always go through project white papers if they are available on the site, because it gives you in-depth review about the site and everything that revolves around the project itself. As you can see on the tokenomics, we have the Remit total supply, which is a minimum of 550 million tokens and a maximum of 1.9 billion tokens will be issued out. Now we have my favorite part, which is the development plan and the roadmap. On the phase 1, we have the Remit core team focus on improving the mobile application. And on the phase 2, we have the mining process continue and further improvements are made to the mobile applications and to the network also. And also the KYC process that removes fraudulent earners. So presently we are on the phase 2. And on the phase 3, which is the final phase, where the Remint network would enter the mainnet properly. So let me break down the roadmap to you step by step so you get what I'm saying since. It all started April 21st and in December 2022, the P2P transfer was initiated. What they mean is the internal transfer where we can exchange Remint network. And in March 2023, the KYC started rolling out. And you can see in April 2023, the phase 2 started. That's why I told you the other time that we are in phase 2 now. and by October 2023, the Remint network will be transitioned into BNB chain and will be migrated to the mainnet. So if you have not started mining, please you can start now and still make more money, because Remint network is a very big project, because it's based on real estate project. So now coming to the VIP section, let me show you what they got for us in the VIP section. So if you register to the VIP section, number one, there will be no ad shown to you. Number two, your earnings will be doubled. Number three, you have the priority support, you have the VIP color teams, and you have the free trial for 5 days. So once you click on the start, you'll be given 5 days free trial, and after the 5 days elapse, you'll be paying every month for the VIP section, and the bill is approximately $3 per month. If you wish to make more, you need to be ready. More updates on this site soonest. If you learned from this, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, join our Telegram group for faster updates, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. God bless you.